TSP Mad Maxx Cam for 1999 to 2013 GM Gen 3/4 LS truck engines 4.8, 5.3, 6.0, 6.2 cam specs, 228/232.550/.550 110 plus 5 for gains of 82 horsepower and 18 feet-pounds of torque. Engines best suited for 4.8, 5.3, 5.7, 6.0, equipped with cathedral port heads, aftermarket stall converter required, yes, 2800 plus operating RPM range, 1800 to 6500, operating RPM range, 1800-6500 are kit options. Take the guesswork out and include the following: Camshaft only, Camshaft by itself, Camshaft, Beehive springs, and valve stem seals, Cam, Beehive springs, valve stem seals, Camshaft, springs, seals and hardened push rod.